Hello children, a very warm welcome to Indoor Learning Academy. We are again back with the continuation of chapter 7 measurement of class 1 mathematics. So children, in my previous video you must have seen some words like heavier, lighter, tallest and shortest. This is the continuation of the same chapter. So let's start the chapter. This is part 2. So in this chapter, in this video, we are going to learn about measurement. We are going to learn about measurement. Now children, what is measurement? Measurement मतलब किसी भी चीज को नापना. Fine children. So can you see this little girl? What is this little girl doing? She is measuring her book. What is she doing here? She is measuring her book. Now the book is 3 spans long. Now there is one word, spans. Now children, what do you mean by this word? This word का मतलब होता है hand span. This means hand span. Now what is hand span? Hand span means the distance from the tip of your thumb to the distance to the tip of your little finger. Fine children? For example, this is my thumb. So measuring from this side to this side, it is one hand span. Fine? Let me give you example. See, this is 1 span, this is 2 span and this is 3 span. So this is 1 span children. Distance from my thumb to little finger, 1 span. Again, distance from thumb to little finger is 1 span. Then again, distance from thumb to little finger is 1 span. So ये जो length है, this is 3 span long. फाइन चिल्ड्रन, मेरे हाथ थोड़े बड़े हैं इसलिए इतनी लंबी लाइन आई है. हो सकता है आपके हाथ थोड़े छोटे छोटे होंगे तो आपकी जो लाइन आएगी वो छोटी आएगी. फाइन. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस गर्ल डूइंग हियर? दिस गर्ल इज मेजरिंग द बुक. व्हाट इज शी डूइंग हियर? शी इज मेजरिंग द बुक विद द हेल्प ऑफ द हैंड स्पैन. मैंने अभी आपको बताया द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द टिप ऑफ योर थंब टू द डिस्टेंस टू द tip of the little finger is 1 hand span. So you have seen this example. Now let us see what is this boy doing here. The table is dash spans long. What is this boy doing here? He is measuring the table. What is he doing here? He is measuring the table. It might be 6 spans long. So this table might be 6 spans long. मैंने might use किया है. Might मतलब लगभग हो सकता है. Fine. Now let's move to the next slide. Now trace your friend's hand span here. Now children, what you have to do here is you have to trace your friend's hand span. See, this is the hand span. The distance from the tip of your thumb to the distance to the tip of the little finger is your hand span. So children, you can complete this by yourself. Let's quickly move to the next slide. Now measure. Now what is this girl doing here? This girl is again measuring the table. What is she doing? She is measuring the table. My table is dash span long. It might be 5 to 6. 5 to 6 span long. मतलब कैसा? See, this is 1. This is 2. Fine children? This is 3. Fine? So like this she is measuring like this. ऐसे ऐसे वो measure कर रही है. जैसे अभी मैं measure कर रही थी ना बोर्ड पे, उसी तरह she is measuring the table. So my table is 6 span long. My table is 6 span long. Now what is she doing here? She is measuring her pencil. What is she doing here? She is measuring her pencil. So the pencil might be 1 span long. Fine. So what we will write here? We will write 1. Now what is this girl doing here? She is measuring the blackboard. What is she doing? She is measuring the blackboard. Now children, can you see how she is measuring? She is measuring with the help of a pencil. वो कैसे measure कर रही है? She is measuring with the help of a pencil. For example, देखो ये एक span हो गया, यहाँ से यहाँ 2 span हो गया, यहाँ से यहाँ 3 span हो गया. Fine. Like this she is measuring. So it might be up to 6 pencils long. Fine. Now quickly move to the next slide. Now what is this boy doing here? This boy, the carpet is 10 feet long. Now what is he doing? अभी तक हमने hand span सीखा था. Now it is feet. Feet मतलब पैर. ये दिख रहा है? Can you see this? Again it is from here to here. This is 1 feet. दो मिला के 1 feet. See? दो मिला के कितना हो रहा है? 1 feet. Fine. So what is he doing? This boy is measuring the carpet. Can you see the carpet here? This boy is measuring the carpet and it is approx 10 feet long. Now, what is this girl doing? She is trying to measure this mat. What is she doing here? She is trying to measure this mat and the mat is 6 feet long. Now, guess the distance between two trees. यहाँ पे एक ट्री है और यहाँ पे एक ट्री है. Now आपको क्या करना है? आपको इसका distance बताना है. You can measure with the help of foot. So it might be approx 10 to 12 feet. Fine children. The difference between from this tree to here might be 10 to 12. That's all for today children. I hope you have loved this session. We'll meet you soon with the new chapter. Till then, bye, take care and God bless you all.